One beautiful spring morning, a merchant loaded his donkey with bags of salt to take to the market and sell. The merchant and his donkey walked side by side along a quiet country road. They hadn't gone very far when they reached a river crossing their path. Unfortunately, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. As it scrambled up the riverbank, dripping wet, it noticed something surprising. The bags of salt on its back had become lighter. There was nothing the merchant could do except return home. Once again, he loaded the donkey with bags of salt, and they set off toward the market. But when they reached the slippery riverbank again, the donkey fell into the river. This time, deliberately. And just like before, the salt was wasted. By now, the merchant understood the donkey's trick. He decided it was time to teach the animal a lesson. So, when they returned home again, he quietly loaded bags of sponges onto the donkey's back instead. For the third time, the duo set out for the market. And as they reached the river, the donkey, thinking itself very clever, fell into the water once more. But this time, something was different. Instead of becoming lighter, the load became heavier and heavier.
You're doing
The
great.
sponges
Keep going.
soaked up all the water.
Almost
The
there,
merchant
buddy.
laughed. "You foolish donkey! Your little trick has been discovered. You should know, you cannot fool anyone too many times." And from that day on, the donkey learned that cleverness without honesty only brings heavier burdens.